Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, you're thinking about getting a new car with all those fancy safety features, right? But then you check the price tag and think, nope, my bank account isn't ready for this. Don't worry, you want to stay safe on the road, but also not live on instant noodles for the rest of the year? Well, guess what? You don't have to. Today we're looking at the top 5 most affordable cars in India that come loaded with ADAS features. We're talking about automatic braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot detection features that used to be reserved for luxury cars but are now becoming more common. So buckle up, because we're diving into the world of affordable safety to help you find your perfect, budget-friendly, tech-savvy ride. Alright, first up is the Tata Nexon. This compact SUV is perfect for navigating city streets and occasional highway adventures. You can get your hands on this bad boy for around 7.19 lakh rupees. And for that price, the Nexon is not skimping on safety. It comes loaded with ADAS features that'll make your daily commute smoother and safer. We're talking about electronic stability control, which acts like your car's guardian angel, keeping you from skidding out of control. And then there's Hill Hold Assist, a lifesaver if you're ever stuck on a steep incline. The Nexon also comes with a strong, robust build, which Tata cars are known for. So if you're looking for a stylish, safe, and affordable SUV, the Tata Nexon is definitely worth checking out. Next up, we have the MG Hector. This SUV has been making waves in the automotive world for its impressive blend of style, performance, and most importantly, technology. This SUV is known for being packed with the latest features, making it a favorite among tech-savvy drivers who crave innovation and convenience. And its ADAS offerings are no exception. The advanced driver assistance systems in the Hector are designed to make your driving experience not only more comfortable but significantly safer. The Hector starts at around 12.18 lakh rupees, which is pricier than the Nexon, but it comes with a lot of bells and whistles. This price point reflects the premium features and advanced technology that MG has integrated into this vehicle. One of the coolest ADAS features on the Hector is the lane departure warning. This system is a game changer for long drives and highway cruising. Imagine you're driving on the highway, a little tired, and you start to drift out of your lane. It's a common scenario that can lead to dangerous situations. The Hector will sense that and alert you. This alert gives you a chance to correct your course before any potential mishap. The Hector also has a collision avoidance system. This feature is particularly useful in city driving where sudden stops are frequent. If the car senses an obstacle and you're not braking, it'll start braking for you. This proactive safety measure can prevent accidents and give you peace of mind. These features assist you, not replace your driving skills. It's important to remember that while technology can help, the driver is always the most crucial part of the safety equation. You still need to be alert, but it's nice to have some backup. Knowing that your car is looking out for you can make driving a much more relaxed experience. Moving on to another crowd favorite, the Hyundai Creta. This SUV has been a bestseller in India for a reason. It's not just about the looks, it's about the complete package it offers. It's stylish, comfortable, and now even safer thanks to its ADAS features. The interior is designed with premium materials, offering a luxurious feel. The Creta starts at 10.87 lakh rupees, which puts it right in the middle of our list in terms of price. This makes it an affordable option for many families looking for a reliable SUV. One standout ADAS feature on the Creta is the blind spot detection. This feature is crucial for highway driving where changing lanes can be risky. The Creta eliminates that worry with its blind spot detection system, alerting you if there's a car in your blind spot. This ensures you can change lanes with confidence. The Creta also comes with rear cross-traffic alert, super helpful when you're backing out of a parking spot or driveway. This feature detects oncoming traffic from either side, preventing potential collisions. The Creta's always been a popular choice for families, and with these added safety features, it's even more appealing. Next on our list is the Kia Seltos. This SUV is known for its sporty looks, fun-to-drive nature, and impressive list of features, including some cool ADAS tech. The Seltos starts at 10.49 lakh rupees, making it very competitively priced. One standout ADAS feature on the Seltos is the driver attention warning. This system is designed to keep you safe by monitoring your driving patterns. It can detect if you're getting drowsy behind the wheel and give you a visual and audible warning. This can be a lifesaver on long drives or during late-night commutes. And for those times when you're stuck in traffic, the Seltos has lane keeping assist. This feature is particularly useful in heavy traffic conditions. This feature helps you stay centered in your lane, even if you're not actively steering. It adds an extra layer of convenience and safety to your driving experience. But it's not all about safety with the Seltos. So, if you're looking for a car that's both safe and fun to drive, the Kia Seltos is definitely worth checking out. It offers a complete package for anyone in the market for a new SUV. Last but not least is the Mahindra XUV 300. This compact SUV is perfect for those who want a car that's both rugged and reliable, without breaking the bank. The XUV 300 starts at around 8.41 lakh rupees, making it one of the most affordable cars on our list. One standout ADAS feature on the XUV 300 is the front parking sensors. They can be a lifesaver in tight parking spots, giving you audible warnings that tell you exactly how close you are to an obstacle. The XUV 300 also comes with electronic stability control, a must-have safety feature. It helps keep you in control of the car, especially in slippery conditions or during emergency maneuvers. Mahindra has really stepped up its game with the XUV 300. So if you're looking for a safe, affordable, and rugged SUV, the Mahindra XUV 300 should definitely be on your shortlist. So there you have it, guys. Our top 5 most affordable cars with ADAS in India. From the compact Tata Nexon to the rugged Mahindra XUV 300, there's a car on this list for every budget and need. Remember, safety should never be a luxury, and with these cars, it doesn't have to be. Upgrade your ride and experience the peace of mind that comes with having the latest safety tech on your side. Until next time, drive safe, stay awesome, and I'll catch you in the next one.